You really that scared? I'm literally here with you. Continue. Press continue.
Yeah. Okay. All right.
Press
Um.
continue. No offense, dude, but you're kind of a pussy. Like, you're
Shut
scared
up!
of that?
You saw it crawl from
You're
the
literally
screen.
scared of that for
You
what?
saw it crawl from the ceiling, though.
Dude,
You.
it's literally. Oh,
Yeah, I
God.
know. Now we know it's harmless. Now we know it's harmless. But dude, that thing literally just crawled from the ceiling and came right at me. What do you expect me to say?
Your best friend is working over there. He
He
didn't even
moved!
react.
He moved! He moved! He was standing over there. He said,
He didn't. He moved when you weren't looking. Remember?
yeah, I. Hmm. Okay. You ready to clock in?
Yeah. What time did they say you need to clock in by? Wait a minute. You're working a night shift, so wouldn't it be sometime
I don't know.
around
I
11
think.
or?
I think it's morning. I don't see any customers. Okay. Oh, turn on the open sign. Okay. All right. It's just an open sign, right? We can do that, right?
Yeah.
Without screaming. We're not gonna scream,
Yeah.
right? Right?
I won't scream.
Okay. 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 Cool. All right. We're open. Uh, nobody's here.
Madness is about to begin.
Okay.
Hey, dude.
Yeah.
Did you know that concept? Did you know that there's official concept art of Tom Holland wearing the symbiote suit?
Yeah. Oh.
Yeah. You, yeah. Bro, you need to. Dude, the thing moved it. He did
No,
the.
he walked. His feet moved.
Did you not see the crawler move it himself though?
Okay, the crawler isn't killing me, so. All right.
Probably just some.
Okay. Poppin' pork sandwich, no onion. Got it. Understood.
Poppin' pork sandwich. No, what,
Boom.
dude? That sounds like a Chick-fil-A type of. You've been to Chick-fil-A, right?
Actually, I have not been. I've gotten Chick-fil-A. Where's the meat?
But you haven't been there, is what you're saying. Like
What
you
the hell
haven't
was
been there
that?
in person.
You saw that, right? Oh, wait,
Yeah, I
never mind.
saw that.
That thing just came at me out of nowhere. Okay. Where the fuck's the salami? Oh. Alright. Uh. Okay. Where's the salami? Where's the meat? Where's the meat? Oh, okay. I remember. It's in here. Uh. Boom. Pow. Okay. There you go. I hope that guy actually does something and not just, like stand around, do literally nothing.
Probably just surprise. Probably surprise you near the end or something.
Dude, it hit me again. Okay. Are you done? Is that done? Does that look done to you?
It still looks like it needs more time. That thing
Yeah.
looks like it's been. Thing looks like it's seen. That
You're
ice burns.
you're also creeped out right now, right? Okay.
Yeah.
It doesn't feel good when you're just laughing at me and I'm over here completely scared shitless.
I'm playing with you. I mean,
just do
I'm
the
watching with you.
what? Jeremiah! Jeremiah!
What?
Did you not see that? Did you not see that?
Tell me that thing can walk now.
That's exactly what I'm telling you! Bro.
You're chasing you. It's chasing you.
I'm trying to
Oh my god.
Bro, it's from the Taliban. What the
Yo.
hell? It's a part of the Taliban.
How do you know it's part of the Taliban?
You just fucking self-destructed. Okay. Where's the... Okay. Right there. Boom.
What?
Burger. Okay, popping pork. No onion. Bring up. And you, ma'am, got yourself a burger. Thank you.
What?
Okay, fantastic fowl sandwich, no lettuce.
What?
Fowl? What the hell is fowl? Fantastic. I just... What the hell is a fantastic fowl sandwich? Okay, chicken.
Yeah, I was seeing stuff, or I saw. No, okay, okay, nothing. I was seeing things for a second.
No lettuce, no lettuce. Alright, bet. No lettuce. You want no lettuce? I got you. No lettuce, my guy. Please, don't send more suicide bombers my way. I don't want more suicide bombers. But why the hell are there suicide bombers in this game? He moved again.
Hey, dude, you feeling the vibes right now?
I am definitely... The lights, goddamn lights, the goddamn lights.
Dude, you're screwed.
Okay, more people are here. Okay, tell me the meat's done. Tell me the meat's done. The meat's done. Boom. Bada bim, bada boom. Alright. Let's go. Fantastic fowl sandwich. Okay, I don't know what makes it fantastic, but take your goddamn word to get out of here. Next, please. Thank you. Welcome to McDonald's. How can I help you? Poppin' pork sandwich. Alright, bet. I just hope there's some more Taliban.
Bliss?
Alright. No, you're not gonna hit me. That's right. Nothing special, okay. Okay, bet.
Oh, I don't care.
Bet.
I'm back. What happened?
Alright, what do you bet the next, order is gonna be?
Bet the next order is probably gonna be a burger deluxe with fries and.
Bro, he turned how do I turn it back on? Oh. Shift is finished. Took too long on a lobby order. Okay. I have to turn the shift stuff on. Okay, this is deeply unsettling. You've already worked today. Okay, I can just go home. I don't have to log up. Alright, bet. I'm just gonna run, man. I don't get paid enough for this shit. I need to clock out. I literally tried to clock out. You saw that, right? I tried to clock out. No, I tried to turn the light off. I think that guy lives here.
You don't say.
Yeah, fuck this place. I'm just running, man. Come on, let me leave. Come on. Oh! We did it. Jeremiah, we did it.
Oh, you got the order done. Nice. Wait. Oh, you finished the
gas.
Oh.
Okay, that's not a gas. Are you watching WWE or what?
Wait, how do you know I'm watching WWE?
I can see you. You're literally turning your head.
Now you don't see anything.
Took you 4 tries. It took you 4 tries. I saw that. I call you lacking. Lacking.
I dare, bro. I dare you. I dare you to bump into my stream for Horizon Forbidden West, and I dare to say something so embarrassing to the chat
Lacking.
that I'll be sure to shut you down.
Lacking.
What?
Caught you lacking.
Okay, we'll see. We'll see.
Okay, do I live in a motel? I live in a apartment.
Well, I mean, you did see the other rooms.
Yeah.
Dude,
Okay.
this feels like a non-linear game.
No, it's like one of those games that you keep coming in day after day and then it gets more and more demented. Kind of like that. Alright, I have 3
Okay.
health. $25. So, if he's in a... oh, Jack-o'-lantern. Oh look, it's Bob! It's our best friend. You wanna say hi? Yo, what's up?
Hey, Bob.
Yo, what's up? You're looking extra nice today.
Shoot.
Oh, it's open. I got a coin. I can upgrade the restaurant.
Nice.
Okay. You think he can take a shit? He can't take a shit. Okay. We did it.
A full-time job can be so stressful, even
done.
if you do what you
First
love
day.
for a living.
And my health didn't go up.
That's why Obscura biotech scientists and health specialists have
My health
crafted
didn't
a
go up.
pharmaceutical blend to alleviate stress
You think eating this will make my health go up?
Introducing the brand new
Should.
stress killers. Kill stress
Okay, wait.
dead in
Wrong
its
button.
tracks.
Oh, I can't eat it.
Set yourself at ease. Spritz your room to disperse
Throw it out the
some
window.
hidden meadow fragrance, and you'll feel as though you've entered
Oh,
a majestic field.
do you notice something?
Wind in your hair, sun
Yeah.
on your face, and the most beautiful view on sight
Hmm?
standing before you.
Hmm?
Aromatherapy's been
The door.
proven to
Something
alleviate
about
stress.
the.
No, they added more.
No.
They added more
Oh,
posters.
yeah. Well, that too. I
Yeah.
thought. Yeah,
Oh,
more
they're breaking
posters.
into my house. They're breaking into my house.
Essential oils from an actual,
Man,
real-life hidden meadow.
the
are
job really
utilized in
wants
our
to
top-secret
keep you
formula.
busy.
All
Yeah.
designed to give your
Bro,
nostrils a
what the
delight,
fuck is this
and your
animation?
soul the spiritual nourishment it
What the
yearns
fuck
for.
is this animation?
Hidden meadow fragrances. Put your mind at ease.
This is like Tom and Jerry, but Jerry took acid.
Weirder. It's literally weirder.
Yeah. What the hell? Oh. Whoa, look at that. Oh shit. What the fuck?
If you're my age, you probably grew up with the Fun Zone consoles. With it, all the great games.
Okay, oh no, never mind. It's just a dragon. I thought that was like a human hand or something. You know what? I'm done with this game for like
Fun Zone had the best.
one day. One day is enough.
You're done.
Oh. Wait, what?
Done.
It just gave me a fake blue screen. Or is it just restarting? Because this is what I saw in the beginning. Yeah, okay, this is what I saw in the beginning of the game. Waiting for brain link. Wait. Okay, so in the beginning of the game, they showed me that that I was having an operation done on me, right? For a brain chip, so I could like see a different reality. So if they're logging in, does that mean when I turn the game off, the brain chip gets turned off? And I'm playing a simulation of Happy's Humble Burger Farm, and every time I hit continue, I'm just... Because, look, you hear computer sounds, right?
Yeah.
And you're not working in a computer in the game, right? So the only reason this would be here is if none of this is real and I'm playing a simulation. Which is true, I am playing a simulation, but that means that me, the person who's playing, has a brain chip implanted.
Hold up.
You do not care.
Dude, I'm not listening to the TV. I thought someone called me.
No, it's fine.
Yeah.